up, East Side? Shout out Logan Street, Woodford Street. What up, Grand Crew? Hold it down. Woods G in the building, baby. It don't stop, it don't stop. It don't quit, it never quit. Yo. Yeah, I'm from the I-double-L-I. Noise, nigga, make some noise, nigga. Yeah, I'm from the I-double-L-I. Yeah, I put my wheels on and turned it to skate on them D. Where he going now? Guess you gotta wait on him and see. Hit the highway, car on cruise, I'm leaning back. Just me and my Cadillac and a loud reefer sack. Getting toasted as I'm rolling, in love with that ganja potion. Got 85 miles per hour, feeling like I'm in slow motion. Destination wherever, I'm only stopping for cheddar. They ain't talking about lettuce, goddammit, I keep it coasting. I ain't looking for a free ride, ain't kissing no ass. Got here on my own, bitch nigga, I bought my own gas. Paid for my own petrol, stacked to my own Legos. Kept it real from the get-go, never broke the G-code. And that's real shit.
When you hear
what up, C-No? What up, Quavo? What up, Porky? I ain't forgot about you, Yo, this is the great escape, so I'm skating without a cause. When I finish murdering the Midwest, I'll give you a call. Until then, I'm picking and rolling, and when they pass me the ball, spin move on you haters and slam dunk on them all. No Sprite, no getting stuck, I'm out here quenching my thirst. A lot of loot to be made, the rent's due on the first. Big G, heat up the Pyrex, tomorrow's the first. Soon as the checks get cash, fiends coming about the woodworks. Yeah, I put my hood first, even though I'm miles away, trying to make a pile of days. So serious, no smile on my face, till I collect my pay, now that's when I deserve to grin. Checkmate, motherfucker, now I deserve to win. I want the best hydro, the lobster and the shrimp. Look up in the sky and say Woods G on a blimp. Like Ray Cash in my own mind, yo, I'm a pimp. One day I'ma fuck the system with the president's dick. Now that's nasty.
When you hear what I got to say, I'm sure you won't be able to turn your head.
Yeah, check it. So I'm banging at the door, but it won't open up. Yell through the window like Vinny, man, wake your drunk ass up. We got a show in 3 hours and we ain't left town. I ain't gon' lie, I'm late myself and still drunk off that brown. But we gotta hit the road once again, let's make a shake. Down for the paper chase, so I activate my super skates. I'm taking off on you puppies, your walk ain't even loud. I ain't rich yet, bitch, you better kill me now. We make it happen wherever we fucking stop at. Clubs be sure to call back like, yo, we want y'all back. Price tags, money bags, they seem to heal my wounds. The scar used to be a scab, yo, I'll be back in Decatur soon. Yeah, I know y'all miss me, so I'ma be back in Decatur soon.
When you hear what I got to say, I'm sure you won't be able to turn your head away.
Man, damn. Fuck you doing, nigga? Drive off, shit.
It's the 187-217 mixtape. It's your boy Woods G in the building. Murder Midwest. Oh, damn.
Yeah. Put your mother